In this video, we're going to talk about a super accurate and powerful scalping strategy. The scalping strategy we'll discuss uses a free buy-sell indicator on Tradingview. You can use this strategy in all markets like forex, gold, crypto, stocks, and more. We'll keep this video short, so make sure to watch until the end. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Katoga Cloud and select Katoga Cloud by D7R. You can adjust the Katoga Cloud settings, but we'll use the default ones for this video. Here's how to use the Katoga Cloud indicator. It helps you see the market trend. If the cloud is navy, it means the market is in a bullish trend. Prices are going up. If the cloud is red, it means the market is in a bearish trend. Prices are going down. The thickness of the cloud shows how strong the trend is. A thicker cloud means a stronger trend. If the cloud gets thinner, it might mean the trend is getting weaker or about to change. Don't place an order if the cloud has different colors. For example, if it's mostly navy but has some red, it means there's a correction happening. Now, let's enhance our strategy by adding a second indicator to assist us in placing orders. First, go to the Indicator Search tab and type Twin Range Filter. Select Twin Range Filter by column from the list of results. Once you have the indicator selected, we'll need to adjust the settings to optimize its performance. Change the fast period to 55, the slow period to 35, and the slow range to 3. After making these adjustments, click OK to confirm the changes. With these settings, the Twin Range Filter will provide clearer signals, helping you determine the best times to buy or sell. How to place a sell order. If the Twin Range Filter gives a sell signal, confirm the trend with the Katoga Cloud. It should show a bearish trend. Make sure the candlestick is bearish too. If everything checks out, place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Set your stop loss at the last swing high and your take profit using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a buy order. If the Twin Range Filter gives a buy signal, confirm the trend with the Katoga Cloud. It should show a bullish trend. Make sure the candlestick is bullish. If everything checks out, place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Set your stop loss at the last swing low and your take profit using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.